Professor Mugisha nagira ngo bamemba bebitongore nkebi bino umwuga mahango mu byanga yibarukutura enshonga habwenji bine korana mano kwera batine cwero mbyanga byabo.
So kind of please. Strong sense of purpose that I accept the responsibility to serve as the president of Lions Club of Mbarara Central. I come with new energy. I'm going to raise the fellowship. I'm going to have a clear focus on our service in our 8 service points.
As Lions, our motto is we serve. And I've also briefly cross-checked the data about the services conducted by the Lions Club of Mbarara Central. Thank you so much for serving humanity. You have served, if the records are still right, 7,634 people have received your hands, you have touched, you have extended services to those people.
Nabwanyuma ugwarahiza bebembezi b'ekitongore cy'abasya kandi Mbakureba Jenkins nuwatorinwe nka president omusya arikuzombegere bya geometry ya agenda. Aba bagizireho n'ekihuro ninga shidina kandi batahize bamemba basya basimana aba bakozire kurungi aha bwa TV West ndera akiza.